Hey ninjas! Today we're learning how to select vertices, edges, and faces in Blender. First, select your object and hop into edit mode. This dot style is vertices. This one is edges. And this one is face selection. You can easily select a horizontal vertex loop by holding Alt and left-clicking. Same trick works for vertical loops too. Alt plus left-click. And yep, this works in edge and face mode as well. Just like this. Bonus tip. Want to select the eye of the monkey? Let's go. Select the center face of the eye, then hit Ctrl+ on the keyboard until the full eye is selected. Let's check it out in X-ray mode. And boom! There it is. So that's how you select mesh elements in Blender. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep practicing and leveling up.